How would you like to be able to accomplish 10 times more work in the same amount of time? You don't need to be a genius or have any special skills. All you need is a good idea and an app called ChatGPT. This AI tool is so incredibly useful that it has already replaced my entire team. And what's even crazier is that it took me less than a day to learn how to use this thing. So today I want to show you exactly how I've been using ChatGPT to get things done way faster. Starting with the first way that saved me over 20 hours every single week. This first example is actually something that I'm personally very bad at, and that is writing emails. Now, you might not realize just how many emails you write throughout the week, but if you're reworking a standard 40-hour week and you check your email anywhere from 5 to 10 times per day, you can easily be writing 50 or more emails per week. But the problem was that I didn't want to spend all of my time actually writing these emails. And this is where ChatGPT comes in. Because now all I have to do is describe the message that I want to send, and ChatGPT will do all of the writing for me. It writes it in a professional tone that sounds like me, and it saves me tons of time. And the best part is that I can use this for all sorts of different emails, such as answering customer questions, following up with clients, negotiating contracts, and even firing employees. Seriously, you guys have no idea just how much time this has saved me. Okay, so the next way that I've been using ChatGPT to 10x my efficiency is by having it generate all of the captions and subtitles for my videos. Now, I used to spend hours upon hours manually adding subtitles to all of my videos, and it was so time consuming that it would take me nearly a full day to upload a single YouTube video. But now, thanks to ChatGPT, I am able to upload multiple videos every single day, and I have it to thank for all of the subtitles. All I have to do is copy and paste the video transcript into ChatGPT, and then I ask it to rewrite the transcript in closed caption format. After that, I simply copy and paste the output into my video editor, and voila, I got captions. It takes me less than 5 minutes. The third way that I use ChatGPT to 10x my work efficiency is by using it to proofread all of my written content. Now, when I am writing long-form content like the blog post that I wrote for my AI tool, I don't have time to go back and check all of my grammar and spelling. So instead, I simply copy and paste the entire article into ChatGPT and ask it to proofread the text and correct any mistakes. And you know what? Even though I am a native English speaker, ChatGPT has found hundreds of mistakes in my writing, so I highly recommend that you guys do the same for all of your written content. Alright, so the fourth way that I've been using ChatGPT to 10x my efficiency is by using it to edit my images. Not only can ChatGPT write and proofread, but it can also edit images. For example, let's say that I have this image here which I want to use on my YouTube channel. If I copy this image and paste it into ChatGPT, I can then ask it to crop the image and remove the background. The end result is literally perfect. It looks great. However, I think it could look even better if we increased the brightness. So I can also tell it to increase the brightness by 50%, and boom, it's done. ChatGPT just edited the image and made it brighter. As you can see, it can really make simple editing tasks fast and efficient. And the best part is that this is just the beginning. ChatGPT can do way more when it comes to editing images. For example, you can use it to generate completely new images based on a text description. You can also use it to change the background of an image. And you can even use it to remove unwanted objects from an image. Honestly, it's crazy just how much ChatGPT can do when it comes to editing images. And I'm sure that this is just the beginning. The fifth way that I use ChatGPT to 10x my efficiency is by using it to manage my social media accounts. With ChatGPT, I can use it to schedule posts, analyze my results, and even come up with content ideas. First, let's talk about scheduling posts. You probably already know that posting consistently on social media is important. But coming up with new content ideas and scheduling it can be difficult. This is where ChatGPT can help. I can use it to generate new content ideas and schedule those posts so that they automatically publish at the best times. And if you don't believe me, just check out some of the posts that I've scheduled with ChatGPT. Next, let's talk about analyzing results. Analyzing the performance of my social media posts is also important, but it can be time-consuming. With ChatGPT, I can analyze my results and get insights to improve my strategy. This means that I can track my progress, understand what's working and what's not, and make adjustments as needed. And finally, let's talk about coming up with content ideas. Coming up with new content ideas can be one of the most challenging parts of managing social media accounts. But with ChatGPT, I can generate new content ideas quickly and easily. This means that I can experiment with new topics and formats and find what resonates with my audience. Now, before we move on to the bonus tip, okay? So the sixth way that I use ChatGPT to 10x my efficiency is by using it to conduct market research. When you're running a business, it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends in consumer behavior. ChatGPT makes it easy to gather insights from the vast amount of data available online. For example, if you're thinking about launching a new product, ChatGPT can help you determine whether there's demand for that product and identify any potential challenges. You can also use it to analyze your competitors and learn more about your target market. Additionally, ChatGPT can help you make more informed decisions about pricing, marketing, and distribution. With access to real-time data, you can trust that the insights you're getting are accurate and up-to-date. Now, before we move on to the bonus tip. Okay. So the seventh way that I use ChatGPT to 10x my efficiency is by using it to automate my customer service. Providing excellent customer service is crucial for the success of any business. With ChatGPT, I can automate my customer service and provide quick, accurate responses to customer inquiries. It can answer frequently asked questions, resolve issues, and even provide personalized recommendations. By automating customer service with ChatGPT, I can free up my time to focus on other aspects of my business. And now for the bonus tip. The eighth way that I use ChatGPT to 10x my efficiency is by using it to develop software applications. Yes, you heard that right. ChatGPT is not just a tool for writing essays and generating images. It can also be used to develop software applications. With ChatGPT, I can generate code, develop algorithms, and build entire applications much faster than traditional methods. This is because ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of code and can generate high-quality code in seconds. It can also assist with debugging and testing code, making the development process even faster and more efficient. In addition, ChatGPT can help with documentation, which is an often overlooked but critical part of software development. Overall, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way software is developed, allowing businesses to bring their products to market faster than ever before. In conclusion, and remember that ChatGPT is still under development and improving rapidly. So as you can see, ChatGPT is a truly remarkable tool that can help you achieve 10x growth in various aspects of your life. From writing emails and creating content to managing social media and developing software applications, ChatGPT can help you do things faster, better, and more efficiently. So if you haven't already, I highly encourage you to try it out and see how it can benefit you.